If you're wondering how to use Salesflare for customer retention, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to break down exactly how Salesflare can help you keep your customers happy and engaged, while streamlining your sales and customer management processes. Stick around to the end because I'll also share an exclusive bonus to help you get started with Salesflare absolutely free. Salesflare is a smart CRM designed for small to mid-sized businesses, and it's a great tool for customer retention. Unlike traditional CRMs that require manual entry and constant updates, Salesflare automates a lot of the grunt work. It integrates with your email, calendar, and other tools, pulling in information so you can stay on top of every interaction with your customers without lifting a finger. One of the key features that makes Salesflare stand out for customer retention is its powerful automation capabilities. You can set up automated workflows to trigger reminders for follow-ups, or even automated emails that go out to customers at key moments. For example, if a customer hasn't interacted with your product in a while, Salesflare can automatically send them a message reminding them of what they're missing or offering a discount to win them back. Another amazing feature is the customer profiles. Salesflare gives you a 360-degree view of each customer by automatically gathering data from emails, meetings, and even social media interactions. This means you're always in the loop about what your customers care about, and you can tailor your outreach to make each customer feel special. Customer retention is about building trust and making your customers feel valued. Salesflare helps with this by tracking customer sentiment over time, giving you the tools to spot potential issues before they become problems. For example, if a customer is sending a lot of support emails or mentions something negative in a conversation, you'll be alerted so you can address it immediately. But customer retention doesn't end at the communication level. Salesflare also lets you keep track of purchases and the life cycle of your products with its easy-to-use pipeline management. With the ability to see exactly where a customer is in their buying journey, you can ensure you're sending the right follow-ups at the right time, helping to keep them engaged with your brand. If you're still worried about getting overwhelmed by all the tools available, don't be. Salesflare's interface is intuitive and user-friendly, with everything you need in one central hub. This means you won't waste time navigating complicated systems. Everything is easy to find and quick to act on. Now, I promised you an exclusive bonus. You can actually try Salesflare completely free through the first link in the description. This bonus gives you access to extended features that will help you kickstart your customer retention strategy without any upfront costs. So, if you're looking to boost your customer retention efforts, this is a no-brainer. Salesflare is an incredible tool for keeping your customers happy, engaged, and loyal. By automating processes, offering personalized outreach, and making it easy to stay on top of your relationships, it's a game changer for anyone serious about customer retention. Remember, you can start using Salesflare completely free with our exclusive bonus by following the link below. Don't miss out. Take action today to see how Salesflare can transform your business.